Hello everybody, I am Sabrina Jiffry. I have come here to give few words about let's protect the environment from plastic and polythene. First of all, I would like to elucidate what is an environment. Environment is the complex of physical, chemical and biotic factors that act upon an organism or an ecological community and ultimately determine its form and survival. Today's world has become one of the most alarming environmental issues due to the plastic and polythene. And the world has been overburdened with a rapid increase in the production of disposable products. Plastics are low cost and long lasting, which leads to high plastic production by humans. The chemical structure of plastic makes them resistant to many natural processes of degradation, as a result which they do not easily degrade. Plastic becomes a problem as it acts like a sponge. It soaks up other toxic, the chemical and pollutants present in the ocean. Eventually, when the plastic breaks down, chemicals and harmful substances get released into the environment along with additives such as color, which turns out to highly toxic. Then I would like to define how does the plastic and polythene affects human health and the nature. The most devastating element of the pollution is that the plastic takes thousands of years to decay. As a result, fish and wildlife are becoming intoxicated. Consequently, the toxins from the plastic have entered the food chain, threatening human health by microplastic entering human body via directly exposures through ingestion or inhalation, which can lead to an array of health impacts including genotoxicity, oxidative stress, apoptosis and necrosis, which are linked to negative health outcomes including cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Finally, before I conclude, I must remind some ways to protect the environment from these harmful effects, such as give up plastic bags, take your own reusable one to the store. Skip straws unless you have a medical need, even then you could use paper ones. Pass up plastic bottles, invest in a refillable water bottle, and don't litter. Therefore, the above are some ways to be followed, how to hanker for a well-balanced environment to lead an outstanding life in future. Say no to the plastic and polythene. With that, I conclude my speech. Thank you for the time and patience.